Today, we're going to delve into the world of Forex trading and uncover some of the most horrible mistakes that many of us make. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, these pitfalls can be detrimental to your trading success. So let's identify and overcome these blunders together. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. Now let's dive right in. Learn from these common errors and avoid falling into the same traps. Discover how to improve your trading strategies, protect your account, and lead a more successful and stress-free trading career. Mistake 1. Spending too much time trading. It's true that Forex trading can be addictive and exciting, but spending too much time glued to the screen can be just as harmful as neglecting your trades. Balancing your trading activities with other responsibilities is crucial. We've seen traders lose their jobs and families due to excessive trading. So remember, divide your time wisely and keep your life in balance. Mistake 2. Continuing to trade a losing strategy. Pride can be both a friend and a foe in trading. While it's essential to take pride in your work, letting it cloud your judgment can lead to disaster. If your strategy consistently results in losses, it's time to reassess and adapt. Don't force a failing strategy. Instead, acknowledge the shortcomings, make necessary changes, and grow as a trader. Mistake 3. Trading without stop losses. Risk management is paramount in Forex trading, and using stop losses is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your account. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you can outsmart the market and skip using stop losses. Embrace them as your safety net and ensure a more secure trading journey. Mistake 4. Trading with more than you can afford. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. It's a golden rule that many traders have learned the hard way. Trading with funds meant for essential expenses can lead to financial disaster. Don't risk your livelihood on the market. Only trade with disposable income, and you'll safeguard your financial well-being and reduce stress. Mistake 5. Trading at all. Emotions can wreak havoc on your trading decisions, especially after facing losses. Chasing those losses with larger trades is a dangerous gamble. Know when to step back, reassess your strategy, and avoid the temptation to gamble with your account. Remember, trading should be rational, not an emotional roller coaster. Mistake 6. Guessing the news. News events can be highly volatile and profitable, but guessing the market's reaction to news is incredibly risky. News can be unpredictable, and even with stop losses, massive market swings can wreak havoc on your trades. Unless you're well versed in trading news events, it's safer to steer clear of them. Mistake 7. Trading without a plan. Trading without a plan is like navigating through a storm without a compass. Your trades should be based on sound analysis and strategies, not guesswork. Create a well-defined trading plan, set clear goals, and stick to it. This will help you trade with purpose and discipline, leading to more consistent and successful results. And there you have it, 7 horrible mistakes you might be making with Forex trading. By acknowledging and rectifying these errors, you can significantly improve your trading outcomes and lead a more balanced life. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow traders. Until next time, happy trading, and may the markets be in your favor.